In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Dasher support in the Doordash app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and how to connect with a real support agent quickly and confidently, whether you prefer chat or a phone call. First, look to the upper right corner of your Dasher app screen and tap the question mark icon. This is your help button. You'll see it from your main map or home view, and it opens the support hub where most common tools and resources live. Next, choose the option labeled I have an issue. This brings you into the guided support flow. Think of it as the starting point for reporting anything that's getting in the way of your Dash, from account problems to order-related concerns. Even if you're not sure which category your situation fits into, this is the right doorway to get help moving. From there, tap It's Something Else. This choice is perfect when you don't see your exact situation listed or when your question needs a human to take a closer look. Selecting this will move you beyond quick suggestions and toward direct assistance, so you don't have to dig through menus that don't apply. Now decide how you'd like to talk with support. Pick Start a Chat if you want to type and keep a written record of the conversation, or if you're in a place where speaking out loud isn't convenient, choose Give Me a Call if you prefer to talk things through in real time. A call can be especially helpful for urgent issues or anything that might require back and forth troubleshooting. Before you connect, it helps to have key details handy, like the order ID if it's related to a delivery, the restaurant or store name, relevant timestamps, and any screenshots that show the problem. That information speeds things up and reduces the need for follow-up. If you're not on a live order, take a moment to explore the other support options shown in the app or use the Doordash Help Center link. Many common questions are answered there and you might find a quick fix without waiting. If the articles don't resolve it, return to the help button and follow the same path to reach an agent. That's it. Tap the question mark, select I have an issue, choose It's Something Else, then connect via chat or call. Keep these steps in mind and you'll be ready to get help anytime you need it.